Multiplying whole numbers by fractions. Okay, given number 1, 12 times 1/3. Number 2, 2/3 of 36. Number 3, what is 3/4 of 48? So in multiplying whole numbers by fractions, so you must first change whole number into fractions, since you cannot multiply directly whole number into fraction. You must change the whole number into fractions. So for example here 12, so you just change 12 into a fraction. So what is the equivalent fraction for 12? The whole number 12. Okay, so all whole numbers has a denominator of 1. So since 12 is the whole number, so the denominator of 12 is 1. So the fraction for 12 is 12 1. Okay, since you have here the new fraction of 12 1, you must multiply it with 1/3. So in multiplying fractions, first you must see to it the you must undergo first with the cancellation process if possible. So in this case, 12 and 3 has a common factor that can divide both 12 and 3. So what are the common factor that divides 12 and 3? So that is number 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Then rewrite the fraction into 4, 1 times 1, 1. Okay. So proceed to, after the cancellation and rewriting the fraction, so proceed to multiplying of fractions by fractions. So to multiply fractions by fraction, multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominators. Okay, let us do it. 4 times 1, that is 4. Then 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So 4 1 or 4, whole number 4. So 12 times 1/3 is equal to 4. Okay, let us proceed. 2/3 of 36. So over here is multiplication. So 36 is to 1. Okay, since 36, why 36 again change into 36 1? Because again, you cannot multiply whole number to a fraction or fraction to a whole number. You must change first the whole number into fraction, which has a denominator of 1. So the whole number has a denominator of 1. Then after that, uh, you need to cancel if possible. You do cancellation if possible. So in this case, 3 and 36 has a common factor of 3. So you're going to cancel out. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then 36 divided by 3 is 12. So rewrite the fraction as 2 1 and 12 1. So 2 1 times 12 1. Then again proceed to proceed to multiplication. 2 times 12, that is 24. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Or 24 1. Or next, we have here, what is 3/4 of 48? So 3/4 of 48. So 3/4 times 48, 1. So 48 1 is the fraction of 48, which is equal to 48. Okay, so again, after changing the whole number into fraction, must see to it that uh, fraction, the numerator and denominator has a common factor to form into a what we call the cancellation process. So since here 4 and 48 has a common factor, which is 4, so you're going to divide it 48 and 4 by 4. Okay, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Now, after that cancellation, you are going to rewrite the fraction as 3, 1, and 12, 1. Okay, so 3, 1 times 12, 1. Then proceed to multiplication by numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 3 times 12 is 36. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So 36 or 36 1 or 36.